Having been found guilty in the 2018 gruesome murder of businesswoman Monica Kimani, the court has handed Joseph Irungu, alias Jowie, a death sentence.
That the first accused person before this court, being Joseph Irungu, alias Jowie, shall suffer death as provided for the offense of murder under Section 204 of the Penal Code of Kenya.
This aligns with the plea of the ODPP and the family of the late Monica Kimani to issue the highest possible sentence for the said offense, which they termed as cold-blooded and barbaric. In her verdict, Judge Nzioka argued that Jowie was not eligible for rehabilitation, even though he never asked for a non-custodial sentence.
That the manner in which the offense was committed did not at any time intend to give the deceased one more minute to live.
The pre-sentencing report by probation officer Andrew Kanyotu had accounts of people who described the 33-year-old as a man with a great relationship with his family and a staunch Christian who by the time of his arrest was a choir master in church.
The report indicates that he's a staunch Christian. He has sung, produced several music videos, and he was actively involved in church activities. The probation officer interviewed a senior chief of free area location, Dr. Samuel Macharia, who described the accused person as being well-mannered, respectful, and was not a threat to the community.
He further said that Jowie lacked stable partner relationships, had an antisocial personality, was impartial, a thrill seeker, and used his anger to control others. The prosecution described Jowie as criminogenic. In her verdict, Justice Nzioka also indicated that the court had also established that Jowie, who underwent tactical military training in Dubai, was indeed violent.
As an extremely dangerous person, violent in nature, as demonstrated by the fact that he was involved in an assault case with one Rogers at Club 1824 when he was out on bond in this matter.
In the mitigation read by Justice Grace Nzioka, who convicted him, Jowie said that he was also utterly shocked by the death of Kimani, and the less he said, the better for the family and her loved ones. Kenya, however, no longer hangs those who are convicted of capital offences such as murder, robbery with violence and treason. Instead, their sentences are usually commuted to life imprisonment, with no one executed since 1987 when Hezekiah Ochuka was hanged. In 2017, the Supreme Court declared the mandatory death penalty unconstitutional after two death row convicts Francis Karioko Murwatetu and Wilson Dhirimbo Mwangi argued that it infringed on their right to life. Jowie has 14 days to file an appeal, which his counsel has already expressed interest in doing so. David Kagina, K24, Nairobi.